Can you explain the main goals of the 12-month consumer rewards program and how it incentivizes projects to actively use the SubQuery network?
Absolutely. Consumer Rewards Program is the biggest initiative we ever launched. We allocated 60 million SQT tokens for the reward pool, which is massive. That's the biggest campaign we ever did. And it's for builders to help them use SubQuery network for their data needs. So we are rewarding builders who come to network to get their data indexed, and they use SQT token to pay node operators on the network for the indexing. And we reward them based on their SQT spending with more SQT. So this is great because it drives the growth of the network, it helps builders even more, and it lowers the any difficulty or point of entry to Web3 infrastructure. It's the whole idea is just to make sure that builders can use our tool, can make it in an affordable way, and we are focusing on the growth of the network. So that's why we launched this idea, this program to help encourage builders to join the network and hopefully make some noise, because it's 60 million SQT. Yeah.
How does the rewards calculation and leaderboard system work to ensure fair and proportional distribution of the 60 million SQT allocated to this initiative?
Sure. So we put a lot of thought to it. We track the SQT spending within every month, and we have a leaderboard which is fully transparent, where all the data consumers, the owners of the project on the network are displayed with the level of their SQT spending and estimated reward by the end of the month. So everybody sees where they are in the ranking, let's say. And we are rewarding top consumers. So every month we are looking at the end of it, and we are rewarding the top data consumers based on their SQT spending. And we also distribute it proportionally between them. So depending on how much SQT a certain project spent in this group of top projects, they will be rewarded proportionally to that. So it has to be fair, it has to be transparent, but it also has to be easy to understand, right? So that's how we do it. And each month we have different reward pools, and also that's also important because this program applies both to SubQuery projects and also Subgraph, because our network is compatible with Subgraph deployment, so it's very easy for current Subgraph runners to actually deploy their Subgraphs on SubQuery network. And we have a separate reward pools for Subgraph, so they can also benefit from this program.
Thanks. What criteria must projects meet to be eligible for rewards, and how does SubQuery verify project information to maintain integrity in the program?
Absolutely. So the whole idea, the entire Consumer Rewards program is dedicated to projects that have real data needs. So it has to be a project that is on production, have a real use case, and needs data. When you deploy a project to the network, we gather. There is a form where you could input some information about the project, name, social channels, website, and also it's important for us to know exactly where the SubQuery project API is used. So in which moment, in what application, the data from SubQuery indexer comes to the application layer of the project, right? So, but this is a form that's there, it's very easy to use, and this helps us identify exactly what is the use case, what people are building, and how they use SubQuery for the data needs. So that's that. So pretty much deploy on the network, Subgraph or SubQuery project, doesn't matter, and just make sure that we have all the information that we ask for in the form, and that's it. You are part of the program. And then just go to the leaderboard and check where you are, and by the end of the month, you may be rewarded. Yeah.
Amazing. How do you see this rewards program impacting adoption and growth of the SubQuery network over the next year, especially among new and existing developers?
Absolutely, it's a good question. So we launched the network February last year, and we are right now really focusing on the growth of this part of our business. We have a lot of projects that are using us self-hosting, using our partners for managed services. So and we are still focusing on the growth of the network. The decentralized networks brings a lot of benefits. Apart from decentralization, like truly decentralized infra, it's also very cost optimized. So it lowers the barrier of entry for a lot of projects. And help them actually access top-notch tools, but don't overpay for them, especially when market conditions are not good. But in general, like you don't want to overpay, but you want to have a solid infra and solid tooling. And we are right now focusing on engaging with projects that we already know that are using us, also projects that haven't heard of us, or we've been in touch to actually deploy on the network. So. We really hope Consumer Rewards Program will be this additional incentive, just this additional thing that will encourage more projects to deploy to the network and try decentralized services. We are rewarding them up to 10 times of APY. So that means that you not only have like your indexing cost optimized, but you can earn 900% of your SQT spending and then use it for your indexing needs in next month. So this is really good initiative. We plan it for a year because we think it takes time. We want to onboard many projects and really hope it will drive the adoption. It will help builders use SubQuery network, and we'll be happy to welcome more projects, and they'll be happy to get their data indexed and also earn some SQT on top of that.